Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Astrology Gyan. Hope you all are fine. I'm here for my 6th episode today. Today I'll cover two topics. One is exaltation and debilitation of planets. From that I mean which planets gets exalted in which sign and which planets gets debilitated in which sign. And the second one is category of houses. So first of all I tell you what are exalted and debilitated planets. What do you mean by that? Exalted planets gains strength and gives positive results, and debilitated planets give negative results. So here's the list of exaltation of planets. Jupiter gets exalted in Cancer zodiac sign. Sun gets exalted in Aries zodiac sign. Mars gets exalted in Capricorn zodiac sign. Moon gets exalted in Taurus zodiac sign. Venus gets exalted in Pisces zodiac sign. Next one is Saturn. Saturn gets exalted in Libra zodiac sign. Mercury gets exalted in Virgo zodiac sign. The next one is debilitation of planets. Jupiter gets debilitated in Capricorn zodiac sign. Sun gets debilitated in Libra zodiac sign. Mars gets debilitated in Cancer zodiac sign. Moon gets debilitated in Scorpio zodiac sign. Venus gets debilitated in Virgo zodiac sign. Saturn gets debilitated in Aries zodiac sign. Mercury gets debilitated in Pisces zodiac sign. There are two planets, Rahu and Ketu. Let me tell you regarding these two planets also. Rahu gets exalted in Gemini zodiac sign and Taurus zodiac sign. And Ketu gets exalted in Scorpio zodiac sign and Sagittarius zodiac sign. Next is debilitation. Rahu gets debilitated in Scorpio zodiac sign and Sagittarius zodiac sign. And Ketu gets debilitated in Gemini zodiac sign and Taurus zodiac sign. Please note that 7th sign from the exaltation house is the sign of debilitation. From this I mean, say if a sun is exalted in Aries zodiac sign, so from Aries, 7th from Aries is Libra. So sun gets debilitated in Libra zodiac sign. I hope I am clear regarding this topic. Let's move on to the next topic, which is category of houses. Category of houses, we have first, 4th, 7th and 10th house are Kendra houses. First, 5th and 9th are Trikon houses. Wherever it's written 3rd, 6th, 10th and 11th houses are Upacha houses. Finally, 6th, 8th and 12th are Dushtana houses. They are called triksthans. These houses considered to be bad. Whichever planet plays in these houses always gives negative results. So friends, hope I am clear regarding these two topics today. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, which is Vedic Astrology Gyan, and also do press the bell icon also for my latest videos. Thank you.